Hi guys!
Hello!
You probably don't know me, but I am the person that lives with that vegan teacher.
That's him. He puts up with me.
And today's a special day.
Yeah.
Because we officially got married.
Yep, today, December 4th.
December 4th, 2021. We decided to get married.
Yeah.
We decided, of course, some time ago, and today we made it official. We've been living together for a long time, for about, 9.5 years. And lately we decided that we wanted to make it official. And today was the day. We went to Montreal, the Montreal courthouse. And
Palais de Justice.
Palais de Justice, ici en français.
We just had a small wedding with just family, and it was interesting. It was different. A small room.
Small because of COVID. Now we only had 7 guests.
Yeah, you're only allowed to have a very few amount of people.
Yeah.
And when we went in there, we had to practically strip down. There's a metal detector. It's like at the airport.
Yeah. It's since it's a courthouse, they made us go through all the checkpoints like at the airport.
Yeah, it was pretty weird. Yeah.
And then we had to wear the mask until the last minute, where we were in the final room where we were allowed to get the masks off, and we had the ceremony, which was very simple and very cute.
It was nice. It worked out well.
Yeah,
actually.
Yes.
Yeah. So the kids were there. My kids were there, and my granddaughter was there.
And my mom. Yeah.
Yeah, and his mom, who lives with us, she's 81. And she's been vegan for the same length of time as our dog Bella.
Yeah.
They wouldn't let Bella in.
No dogs.
No dogs allowed. See, what a speciesist world.
Yes.
Why couldn't she come in? Doesn't make sense. She's not going to do anything wrong. We would have loved to have had her there. She's right here, by the way, on a bed beside us. She has her own day bed in this studio.
Yeah. She's,
anyway.
fall asleep because she had some friends that went to see her, some dog friends.
Yeah, she played with dogs today in the golf course, and she went to see her friend Max.
Yeah. Anyway, so after the courthouse, we came home and we had a nice lunch.
A lot of food.
Lots of food.
Yeah, just delicious. Lots of vegan food, all vegan, of course.
Yeah, of
course.
I've been vegan also since June 2016.
Yeah. So I became vegan first.
Vegan men exist.
Yes, they do.
And here is one.
I became vegan first, and he became vegan like a day or two later. Like the next day, I think, or right away. I just told him I was going to be vegan. He's like, "What's that?" And I said, "Watch these documentaries," and he did, which was great.
And I went through the PETA
mentorship.
Mentorship, yeah, that's what it's called. PETA mentorship for a week. And I got all my answers by them. So that's
answered.
Questions. So questions.
Answer. He's Italian.
I'm Italian. Yeah. So sometimes I say words that don't exist in English. So this is actually an interesting thing that you can do with the PETA mentorship, or you can go to Challenge 22 if you want to become vegan. Challenge22.com. And that's a very good way to start your vegan journey.
Yeah, like they give you recipes and encouragement and all kinds of stuff.
They have dietitians, etc. Everything that you need.
Yeah.
To
and then you ended up meeting the mentor in Virginia.
Yeah. The PETA mentor. Yeah.
At the Animal Rights Conference.
Yeah.
That's you. Cool. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. All right, so
he's basically the guy behind the scenes who helps a lot. I mean, I'm working really hard for the animals, but he's also there sometimes doing little things. You're a computer programmer.
Yes.
But he's not like an editor or anything like that. He has a full-time job of his own.
I'm.
But sometimes he brings me a glass of water.
Amateur editor that sometimes you see.
And when I record my songs, sometimes he's there doing the technical part. Like I'm singing with the microphone and the headphones on, and he's like trying to press buttons and stuff. It just makes it easier than doing it by myself. But yeah, he's helpful that way.
And I'm helped because I'm supporting her, the job that she does. She's working. I see her that she's working all day long to make this world a better place. Yeah, that's why I love her.
Yeah, thank you, sweetie. And he's helping too behind the scenes a lot. So just wanted to introduce you guys. You might have seen him in some of the videos before anyway.
Chopping woods.
Yeah.
Wood.
Yeah, there was a funny video where I filmed him from a distance where he's like throwing these branches into the water for Bella at the lake, and people are making fun of him because he has a saw and he's like sawing branches for Bella, and he's like, what the hell is this guy doing? But anyway, this is my sweetie.
And this is my sweetie.
Yeah. So today, December 4th, 2021 is the day that we officially got married. And
we wanted to let you know.
We just thought we'd let you know. So anyways, that's it. We hope you have a good day. Please be vegan from now on if you're not yet.
And subscribe to this channel.
Yeah, press the notification bell.
Yeah. And let's get those animals out of hell.
That's right, honey. Get the animals out of hell. Thanks, guys.
Bye.
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 Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every